Having learned to prepare Szechuan sauce, then it's easy to prepare any Chinese recipe. And to prepare Szechuan sauce is also very easy. First, in a mixer jar, put 50 grams of Kashmiri red chilies, which I have soaked and kept it for 1 hour. Now grind well and make a smooth paste. Next, in a pan, put half cup of oil and heat it. Now add 3 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and saute for 1 minute. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger and saute for another 1 minute. Now add 1 tablespoon of celery, grinded red chili paste and cook it for 5 minutes. Now add 1 cup of water and mix well and cover it and cook it until oil separates. Now add salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon sugar and mix well and cook it for 2 minutes. Spicy and tangy Szechuan sauce is ready to use. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.